Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're checking out the top 3 best personal blenders of 2025. If you want quick smoothies, small batch sauces, or shakes on the go, these blenders are powerful, compact, and made for everyday convenience. Let's dive in. Now, we've reached the third and most powerful personal blender on our list. Meet the Nutribullet Ultra with a 1,200 watt motor. This machine stands out not only for its strength, but also for its quietness. Thanks to its specialized design, it runs at a lower frequency, so when you're making your morning smoothie, you won't wake up the whole house. As for the design, it's sleek and compact, taking up minimal space on your counter while adding a modern touch to your kitchen. It also has a smart glow interface. The moment you place your cup on the base, the illuminated panel activates. From there, you can choose between the automated smoothie cycle or the hands-on pulse mode. The blending cups are another big win. Made with Tritan Renew, they're created from 50% certified recycled material, BPA-free, shatter-resistant, and completely dishwasher-safe. That means they're good for you and the planet. And let's not forget the blade system. The rapid extractor blade is built on a stainless steel platform with a titanium coating, giving you extra durability, faster blending, and peace of mind with a 5-year limited warranty. In short, if you're looking for a blender that's powerful, quiet, and eco-friendly, this one is definitely a top choice.
Next up, we've got the Thyme Table Single-Serve Blender, and let me tell you, this one is all about being smoother, faster, and sleeker. With 900 watts of peak power, it creates a strong vortex blending system that gives you consistently smooth textures. Whether you're making smoothies, milkshakes, nut butters, or even a quick salsa. What I love here is the versatility. You've got 2 simple modes. Blend for that perfect automated mix, or pulse when you want more control. The 6-point stainless steel blade system really gets the job done, no matter what you throw in. It's also super convenient for on-the-go lifestyles. The set comes with a 25 ounces blending cup, a smart seal, lid, and a reusable straw. Just blend, switch the blade out for the lid, and you've got a spill-proof tumbler you can take anywhere. And if you remove the straw, the lid seals completely, so no leaks in your bag. The cup itself is made from Tritan plastic, which is food-safe, scratch-resistant, and of course, dishwasher-safe. Even the little details stand out, like the capacity markers on the cup for easy measuring, the suction cup base for stability, and the secure lock system that makes sure the blender won't start unless everything is properly in place. Plus, with integrated cord storage, your counter stays clutter-free. So if you're looking for a blender that's compact, powerful, and travel-ready, this one checks all the boxes.
First up, we have the ZWILLING Personal Blender, and this one's all about speed, power, and design. It's a state-of-the-art single-serve blender that gets the job done fast, so you can whip up your smoothie or protein shake in no time. At the heart of it is ZWILLING's razor-sharp crossblade with piranha serration, designed to crush through fruits, ice, and nuts with ease. You've got 2 straightforward settings, smoothie and pulse, making it simple whether you want a perfectly blended drink or a bit more control. One really cool bonus. You get access to hundreds of recipes on the ZWILLING Culinary World app, so you'll never run out of smoothie or cocktail ideas. The design itself is super sleek, with a hidden display that only lights up when powered on. The 20-oz Tritan jar is BPA-free, shatterproof, resistant to both heat and cold, and yes, it's dishwasher safe. You can even pop on the drinking lid to instantly turn it into a spill-proof to-go cup. And of course, safety is built in. The locking system and automatic shutoff ensure it only runs when the lid is properly in place. Add to that the German engineering and the Milan design by Matteo Thun and Antonio Rodriguez, and you've got a blender that doesn't just perform well, it looks amazing too. Available in sleek black, this blender is the perfect mix of performance, style, and everyday convenience.